Is it possible to get implants without teeth? The simple answer is yes. Even if you have lost all of your teeth, dental implants can still be an effective solution. Modern implant dentistry allows dentists to replace a full set of teeth using advanced techniques such as full arch implant restorations. Full arch implant solutions. For patients who have no teeth, dentists often recommend treatments such as all-on-4 or all-on-6 dental implants. These treatments use a small number of strategically placed implants to support a full set of fixed teeth. Instead of placing an implant for every missing tooth, 4 to 6 implants are used to support an entire arch of prosthetic teeth. This provides a stable, functional, and natural-looking solution. Initial examinations and bone assessment. Before starting treatment, dentists perform a detailed examination that includes a digital scan and 3D imaging. This allows them to evaluate the condition of the jawbone and determine the best implant placement. Even patients who have been without teeth for many years may still be candidates for dental implants. What if there isn't enough bone? In some cases, patients may not have enough bone density to support implants. When this happens, additional procedures such as bone grafting and sinus lifting may be recommended to strengthen the jawbone and prepare it for the implant placement. Benefits of full arch dental implants. Full arch dental implants offer many benefits compared to traditional dentures. They provide improved stability, better chewing ability, and a more natural appearance. Many patients also appreciate that implant-supported teeth feel more secure and comfortable in everyday life. Why patients choose Turkey for implants? Turkey has become one of the most popular destinations for dental implant treatments. Patients choose clinics like Lema Dental Clinic because of experienced implant specialists, modern technology, and more affordable treatment costs compared to many Western countries. If you have lost your teeth and are considering dental treatments in Turkey, the team at Lema Dental Clinic is here to help you explore your options and restore your smile. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your questions in the comment below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you regain your confidence with a beautiful new smile.